Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can randomize your weapon and favorite them on Valorant. So again, go to your collection, and I'm just going to select the Vandal one because I have the most Vandal skins, including the Battle Pass. So I have a lot. So if you want to for instance favorite them, I'm just going to unfavorite this because okay. So to favorite them, you're going to, of course, press the star. So my favorite bundle is the Prime, and I also like Neptune, but I still prefer Prime, actually, and I do not like the SOL bundle. But it's a cute color. Been invited again. I'm still working, but anyways, that's how you can favorite them. And to randomize them, select this button right here, and then select... Or did they not have the select this button to randomize your skin, but it will only show your favorite skins. So if you want to show just the ones that have animations, I'm just going to try to favorite this one, and that one. So this one and this one, and this one will be chosen, sorry, once you select the randomized skin. So select equip skin, and then it will randomize your favorite skins. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!